I remember a time when I had started making some cold calls and I had a list, I had a good market, I knew exactly the people I wanted to reach out to, but I was picking up a Nextel flip phone, and each time I wanted to try to get in touch with somebody, I would go through and I'd manually dial each one. And I remember having good conversations, and I was very focused on that next call or trying to get to that next decision maker, but I was going at such a snail's pace that it really felt like a burden to get through the week. I mean, it was physical labor to get through. Fast forward to 2021, and you have tools like Outreach, SalesLoft, VanillaSoft, PhoneBurner, all sorts of different sales dialing softwares that can really help eliminate the waste in between your attempted conversations. When I was dialing manually, I might be able to do 12 to 15 calls an hour, and for not as many hours as I can now running through a sales dialer such as VanillaSoft, which is what we use at Superhuman Prospecting right now. And we're able to make between 19, 20 to 28 calls an hour on a regular basis for more hours throughout the day, because we're reducing the amount of time it takes to get to that next call, to make the dial. It's all programmed and ready for us. It just takes a little bit more planning than just picking up your cell phone and dialing on the dial pad. There are so many different types of tools, online platforms that salespeople can use that can really speed up your ability to make an impact at a much faster clip.